In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Inshot Video Editor on your iOS or Android device to create amazing videos with the editor. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can edit videos. I'm going to show you all the features and tools that you need in order to make a good video. So if you're interested in that, keep watching and we're going to get started right now. So once you open up the Inshot Video Editor, you can create a new project. Now you can do that by clicking on Video, Photo, or Collage, but if you want to edit a video, you of course need to click on Video. Once you do that, you can select the clips from the video that you want to edit. So let's say that I want to edit these 3 videos. I then select them and then I click on the green check mark at the bottom right corner, and by doing so they will send you over to the actual video editing app. Now let's say that you forgot to add a clip. You can always click on the plus icon at the bottom left corner, click on video/photo, and you can then select the clip that you want to add. Once again, select the clip, then click on the green check mark and you're good to go. If you want to trim videos, all you need to do is select the video. So you can do that by clicking on it, and you can then also select any of these. You can then click on trim, which is right there, and you can then trim a video. Now you can trim a video, you can also cut a video, and you can also split it. So let's say that you want to cut out a part in the middle of a video. You can then do this, click on the green check mark right there, and that's how you can do that. Once again, click on the clip, click on trim, and you can then trim your videos. Now let's say that you want to speed up a video. Once again, you click on it, you click speed, and you can then mess around with the speed. So you can put clips in slow motion and you can also speed them up. So that's how you can do that. I'm just going to put it at 1, which is the normal speed. So right now I've shown you how you can trim a video, but let's say that you want to rearrange these clips. So let's say that these are not in the correct order. You can then simply long halt. Once you do that, you should be able to click on it. You can then long halt them right here, and you can then swap them. So pretty much click on it. You can then move around these clips in the right order. So let's say that I want this one right there. I then do this, and that's pretty much how you can do that. Next up, I want to show you how you can change the size/the ratio of a clip. So let's say that you're making videos for TikTok. You can then click on canvas right there, and you can then move around the sizes. Okay, so you can click on ratio and you can then choose all of these different sizes. So right there, you'll see the Instagram size, you'll see the YouTube size, and TikTok. So let's say that you're editing a video for TikTok. You click on TikTok right there, and then you're good to go. Now let's say that you don't like this. You can then also zoom out a bit or zoom in as well by simply sliding this toolbar. And that's how you can zoom in or zoom out on the TikTok size. Now let's say that you don't like this one. You can then choose any of these other sizes as well. And once again, you can always zoom in. Now I'm just going to select the, let's see, the TikTok size, since that's the video that I want to create. You then click on the check mark. And by the way, if you want to apply this to all your videos in the editor, you can click on these 2 check marks at the left side, click on apply to all. And by doing so, all your videos in the editing software will now be in TikTok size. So if you're interested in doing that, you can do that, which is a nice feature on this app. Once you've got these clips lined up, you can start adding transitions, and you can do that by clicking on the pen icon, which is right there when you switch to another clip. So click on that pen icon, and right there you'll see all of these transitions. So they have basic transitions, super transitions, glitches, and more. Now keep in mind that for the free version, not all of these will be available, but still you can use a lot of transitions on here. Let's say that I want to add this one. You then click on it, and there you go. So let me just mute that audio. But right there, they're going to show you a preview as well. So this is the transition that I now made. You can also switch around with this for the length of the actual transition. So that let's say that I want to add, let's say that I want to make it very quick. You then slide it over to 0.2 seconds, and that's what it now looks like. Let's say you want a long transition, you slide it over to 1.8, and this is what it looks like. Now you can change the transitions by simply clicking right there. So this looks pretty nice in my opinion, and this is a cool feature on the Inshot Video Editing app. Once you've got that set up, you click on the check mark right there, and you've then added a transition on your video. Now you can also add text to your videos. All you need to do for that is click on text right there. You can then add text. You can play around with the size. You can also change the color. So let's say that I want to make it red. There you go. You can change the fonts as well. So choose any of these. There you go. You can also add transitions on the text. So you can choose one of these right there. It will then slide in. And that looks pretty nice to me. So you can then click on the check mark. Once again, that's how you can do this. You can then make the text longer or make it a bit smaller. So that's pretty much how you can do this. If you now play this, there you go, you've got that text sliding in and out, which is pretty nice in my opinion. Next up, you can add music to your videos. You click on the music icon, you click on OK. You can then choose tracks, effects, or you can add a voiceover. You can do that by clicking on record. So if you want to add a voiceover, click on record and you can then start doing so. Now, I'm not going to do this, so I'm just going to stop this right away. And there you go. If you want to add music, you can click on tracks. You can then add these songs, or you can click on my music and you can then add these from music on your phone. So I'm going to click on this one, use, and there you go. So right now I've added music to my actual video, and that's pretty much how you can add music. Click on the check mark once again and you'll now have music on your videos. Now next up, we've got photos. So if you want to add photos, you click on the plus icon, click on video/photo, select photo right there, and you can then click on any of these photos. Once again, click on the green check mark, and there you go. You've now added a picture in your actual video. So that's how you can add photos. It's very simple. Now all that's left is filters and reversing a video, because I know many of you are looking to reverse clips as well. If you want to add filters, you find filter on the toolbar, and you can then add effects and filters, and you can also adjust the actual video. So let's say that you want to change the color or the warmth of this video. You click on filter, adjust, and then right there you can change the lightness, as you can see right there, the contrast, which you can also change, the warmth, so you can make it look a little bit better. And this is something that I really like about this editing tool, because many video editors don't have this. Once again, if you want to apply this to all of your videos in your actual clip, you can click on these two check marks, hit apply all, and that's how you can do that. Now all that's left, like I said, is flipping videos, splitting, adding backgrounds, speed, cropping them, and you can do all of that right here by using the toolbar. So that shouldn't be that hard, and this is pretty much how you can edit your videos with the Inshot Video Editing app. Now all that's left is actually rendering the video. So click right there, click on free remove, and then you have to watch an ad, and that's how you can get rid of the actual watermark. If you don't want to watch an ad every single time, you can buy the pro version, although I do not recommend it. It's up to you guys whether you want to do that. For me, this isn't too annoying to watch an ad every single time I want to render a video. You then hit save, and you select the quality, and it's then gonna actually render your video. So it's converting my video right now, and this is pretty much how you can use the Inshot Video Editor on your phone, Android or iOS. Now if this video helps you out, please consider leaving a like. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of videos you're gonna edit as well. Let me know if it's for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any other platform. I would be interested in finding out, and please leave a like on the video. Like I said, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel for more, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Peace out. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.